Hey, Paul with BuyTruckWheels.com. Got some RV wheels here we want to show you today. We're going to kind of go over quite a bit of information because this is one of the products that usually the calls, with the customers take the longest. A lot of different things happening, a lot of different options. So we want to make sure you get the right thing. So what we've got here today are, this is our new 22.5 by 10.5 in the black Stellar with the milling and accents on the vent holes, and that also comes in a similar 22.5 by 9. So what these wheels would generally be used for are your large, motor coaches, buses, your Newmars, Newells, Prevos, MCIs. If you're thinking big buses, this is motorhomes, stuff like that. This is what we're talking about. So kind of to start off, you've got your 22.5 by 10.5. Now this is kind of one of the most specific wheels that we sell. This is comes with a pretty special 365 70R 22.5 tire. Usually a Michelin is what would go on this. But this is for your steer axle and then possibly a tag axle. So it's generally always going to be run like this, kind of like a steer position. So if you're running that Michelin 365 tire, this is the wheel you're going to need, 22.5 by 10.5. As you can see, it's not a dual wheel. It's pretty much flush here with the rim edge. So that is that guy. Now, you could have on your steer axle, if you're running a 315/80 R22.5, you could be running this 22.5 by 9. Now, this could also go on your tag, in this position. It could be spun around the other way in your drive position, in which case, obviously we're still going to have the milling and, around the vent holes. It would just be on the deep side. So when we're talking about these big motor coaches, I always say that the only thing standard is that nothing is standard. So these are the questions we're going to ask you. We're going to ask you about your steers, we're going to ask you about your drives, and we're going to ask you, about the tag axle, because they all could be different. Now, one thing that we're going to look at also is that these wheels are hub piloted. So this is pretty standard since around the year 2000, but these big custom coach manufacturers were kind of some of the last people to switch. So we also just want you to verify that you've got a washer on your lug nut. It's not a beveled out hole with a big ball and seat nut. So across the board, again, you could have hub pilot on your fronts. Maybe somebody changed that over to hub pilot, and your drives could be stud pilot, could be vice versa. So again, on these motorhomes, you might get annoyed with all the questions we ask, but it is important because these are high dollar chassis, and they're very custom. So like I said, no two are generally the same, and you got different combinations, people upgrading, changing stuff. So nothing's really standard on these guys. So the one other thing that we want to kind of talk about, and you could have possibly 8 1/4, just regular 8 1/4 on your drives or your tags. So we're going to look at tire size, and we're going to look at position. Now, one thing to also consider, throwing a kind of a complete curveball in, this is our standard North American 285 millimeter bolt pattern. As you can see, that's pretty standard on chassis here in North America. Some of these big buses or coaches could possibly use a 10 on 335 pattern. Okay, so you can see these are both 22.5 by 9 wheels, but this one has the big European 335 millimeters. So if you measure from center of stud across to center of stud, this one's going to come out a little over 13 inches, where this is a little over 11 inches. So we can usually visually just look and see. As you can see, the angle that this comes to the face is a lot flatter than on your regular North American wheel. So if you send us a picture, we can usually tell by the picture what it is. But again, this is pretty rare to have, but they're still out there. So when we're asking these questions, and again, you might have the North American 285 on the front and have the 335 on the rear, or tags, or any combination of that. So just something to keep in mind. you know, these satin black, you know, RV wheels, super popular. Got a lot of different combinations here in terms of hub covers. You can do a chrome hub cover. You can do a black hub cover with chrome nuts. You can do black nut covers. You can do spikes. You can do regular, you know, so a lot of different combinations to, you know, to really accent that bus you've got, you know, your big camper. So let us know what you're looking for. Hopefully we can answer any questions you've got. And please don't be annoyed when we're asking you a bunch of questions, because it is important, you know, and the manufacturer of the bus is probably, again, going to have no clue what they actually put on at the factory. So don't worry about calling them. We're going to have to just go out to the bus and look at it to really identify what you need. Because again, these are pretty specific items and we want to make sure we get you what you need. So call us, BuyTruckWheels.com. We'll get you hooked up.
Before we go, we've got these also in all black as well as polished.
Yeah, we're showing the satin black with the milling here today, but yeah, if you're just looking for an all black look, these wheels come in that, or obviously your high polish, you know, aluminum look as well. So any kind of any of those combinations you want to go for, we've got them in stock.